Hello, and welcome to American Heritage. Throughout the course, we're going to ask you to sign on to some discussion boards and to participate in the discussion boards as part of your grade and your weekly assignment. So I'm going to show you how you do that and what are your expectations for quality work. So here's the first page of our course. You can reach the discussion board in a couple of different ways. The first way is just on this left-hand menu board, just click on Discussions. And you can click on the week. So we're going to click on week 2 because that's when we start getting going on discussions. And in week 2, your discussion board will pop up, and all you have to do is click read the question and click on reply. And then copy paste your response in here. Now I'm saying copy paste because the best practice to achieve this is to write your response in a word processing document and then copy paste this over. And you're probably asking why? Can I just type it in there? Absolutely, you can type it in there. But technical glitches are not unknown. So it's best if you copy it and save it in a word processing document and then copy paste it over so that you always have your work saved and you have that time capability. The expectation for your essays are that they are well thought out, well written, college level writing. 1 sentence or 2 sentence responses will not earn you full credit. I expect each question to be fully responded to with thoughtful responses and a full idea developed, a full analysis developed and concluded. Another way to access the discussion board is, we'll go back up to the first page of our course. Here's the first page of the course, and if you scroll down, you'll see each week is delineated by week. So let's go to week 2 here where the discussion boards start. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see each part of the week. These are your expectations for the week to accomplish all of these various assignments. Just click on group discussion and you will automatically be put in a group, so you don't have to worry about that. And you can go down here and click reply and copy paste your response. It is really important that you do reply to these threads that I have set up, mostly because it keeps everybody's same ideas in one place so that they're not all over and they're hard to respond to. Because you're not only expected to respond to the prompts, but you're also expected to make 3 to 5 replies to your classmates. If you do not reply, you can lose up to 3 to 4 points, which is a difference between an A and a C. So replying is important, and it's really not too bad to do. Your responses and your replies, again, need to be very well thought out, thoughtful. The idea of saying, I like your thoughts, or replying, I like your thoughts, I agree with you, that is not considered a reply. You will not receive full credit for that. You need to look at them, challenge their thought process, challenge their ideas. We're also practicing civil discourse, about being to be able to disagree without being disagreeable. So be thoughtful in your responses, be thoughtful in your replies, and you will be good to go.